In front of me is OPPO Find X8 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Accessibility and Convenience. Then scroll again to hit one-handed mode and use this gray switcher to activate it. Then to use it, swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, as you can see, mine is on. To go back, you can swipe up or click on this dark area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!